So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install and use Logitech Unifying software. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now here search for Logitech Unifying software. Now here, click on this first link. Now here you will see Logitech Unifying software. Click on this download now button. Now here, it says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. And now the setup is downloaded. Open it. In the UAC prompt, click on yes. Now click on I accept and click on install. And this will install the software. Click on finish. And once done, it will launch the software. Click on next. Now here, plug in the unifying receiver of the Logitech accessory on your laptop. And now once you do this, follow the on-screen instructions to set up the software. And once you do this, you can use the software to customize your product. So this I can install and use Logitech Unifying software on your Windows PC. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.